The Great Indian Festive Sale is here and I am back with another haul video. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been uploading like back to back and I've been missing for a while, and then when I'm uploading a lot, but it's just like that. I don't know what to say, but promise this actually will be more of like a regular thing here. I'm gonna just bombard you with a lot of videos because I know I've been slacking on YouTube and I do not want that to keep happening. So there is something super exciting that is coming tomorrow. There are actually two very exciting things happening. One is a personal announcement that you will hear tomorrow itself on my YouTube, but the other one, which is a public thing, which is known to everybody and which is something that I'm super excited for, it is the Amazon Great Indian Festive Sale, and you know what that means. It means crazy discounts, crazy offers, just like the perfect time to shop right before the festive season, and also like the perfect time to get deals. So everything that you have been eyeing for, everything that has been on your wish list, sitting in your cart, I think now is the time to get that deal, because in today's haul, I have some things that I've been eyeing for a long time, and I was like, every time I would like go and buy, I was like, maybe let's keep it, let's hold it and all. So now when I got the discounts, when I saw, oh, you know what, these products are on discount and these are like good discounts, I was like, why not? I have been shopping a lot from Amazon. So there are a few things that haven't arrived yet. I'm going to show you those in a separate haul. And that was like very specific for like Navratri wala look or like Durga Puja wala look. So you can guess what that is. But in today's haul, I just have 4 things. But these 4 things are like beautiful, they're awesome. I did have a little accident with like one thing which I will start the video with, but it's okay, it happens. Sometimes you get clumsy, you can't do anything about it. So the first thing that I have is this palette from Wet n Wild, and as you can see, it's a bit tattered and it's a bit it's not a bit broken, it's a lot broken. I basically got the package. I got really excited because I had been eyeing this palette for a long time and I've used this palette a lot in my office. So there used to be a lot of makeup artists coming into work when I was working in an office, and tab maine काफी इस्तेमाल किया था ये. We used to use it for like videos and all. So I know this palette is awesome, it works really well. I was about to do a really fun video with this, but I got excited and I broke it. I broke my new eyeshadow palette, and that's something that I'm saying like with a smile right now because I'm trying to hide the pain of it. यार मतलब मैंने बड़ा वाला पैन तोड़ दिया which had the brown, and then मैंने एक और वाला पैन तोड़ दिया, और because मैंने वो पैन तोड़ दिया plus it's a brown, it's a deeper color, right? तो अब वो पूरे में ऐसे blast होके splatter हो गया है, and it's just मेरी हिम्मत भी नहीं हो रही इसे खोलने की. So I'm going to insert like a picture right here so you can see what the palette looks like. I basically bought 2 sets, one of which will be in a separate video, but this one is already here. This has a really nice, interesting collection for like base makeup. So there's like a full on like a sort of dome shaped buffing brush with which you can apply your foundation, you can apply your BB cream, sunscreen, you can even apply your skincare with that. I think it just feels very fancy and it's fun. The other brush is a smaller, more precise brush, so you can do your blush with it. You can also do your powder contour with it, but I think this would work really well for like setting your face with powder when you don't want to use a very, very big brush. You can also do like very like specific placement of products, so you can do your highlighter, your blush, your contour with it, whichever is it that you want to do. Then comes the third brush, which is a flat brush. This brush I think would be really great for either using your cream products with, like just to line wherever is it that you want to contour. This would work really well for a nose contour. This would also work really well with a concealer. It is going to be tricky, especially for beginners, to use this brush for foundation, so I would advise against it. The fourth brush is a very small, precise brush, which I think would work really well with your kajal, with your eyeliner, with a very specific shading like right under your waterline. So overall, it's a really, really nice set of brushes. It's very good to begin with. It would be very beginner friendly, and I found it on discount, so that makes the process even better. And I'm gonna reiterate, I am filming this video right now just to tell you about all of the crazy offers in Amazon fashion and beauty category, and that's something that I do, so that's something that I'm talking about. But there will be a lot of offers like with various categories, so not just these two, but this is where I play. The next set that I bought is the one that I am wearing right now. It's this beautiful blue, I think this is like a silk, it's a silk cotton blend, something of that sort material. It's a straight suit. It has a very beautiful neck, like if you can see right now. It has a very beautiful neck. It's not very deep. It's going to be a very comfortable neck for a lot of people. It also does not go very high up like from the back. So generally I have a problem with like collared Indian wear because it becomes a little uncomfortable for me, and maybe it's not uncomfortable in me. Maybe it's just in my head, but I'm not the most comfortable wearing collared stuff. I'm very like particular, and I have very few pieces that are like that, like if I like them that much. But this has a very comfortable like back of the neck. It has It has a very comfortable back of the neck, so I really appreciate that. I really like this suit. It's super comfortable. I got it in a size L. Both of my suits are in a size L. So now the last piece that I'm showing you right now, which is this green suit from Gerua, this is very different from the one that I'm wearing like right now, and I wanted like something for like the evening and something for the day, which was both like dressy enough for an occasion or for a festival. So these are my two picks. I think I got a really nice like different diverse set of clothing because I only bought two things, and they're of course priced differently, both of which are really high quality pieces. Really light, very easy to wear, high quality, definitely very beautiful and super comfortable. So both of them are in the size large, or like I think 38 or 40 depending on what the sizing looks like on the brand. You can click on the link, you can find it out. The illusion that it gives you, it cuts your body at the right places and it just gives you really nice proportions. So I think that's something that I really like. I hope these recommendations help you out. I hope I am like filling your like shopping cart list or your wish list with really good recommendations, because I genuinely really like the products that I got and I'm very happy with the quality. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. I'm going to see you in the next one very soon. Make sure to check out all the details in my description box with the sale that's coming on, with the original prices and the discounts, and also a link to my Amazon store, so you can just go click on it, buy it directly. And thank you so much for hanging around. Thank you so much for being patient and loving with me. You guys have been just the best audience ever, and I can't wait to bring you more and more videos. So make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure to like if you like the video, and also drop a comment on whatever you think is your favorite, or what is it that you want me to do a haul of for the next video. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.